If you're looking for that extra land and multiple opportunities in Gainesville, this is a crazy opportunity. We call it the quad opportunity. You know what quad opportunity is? That is one property with 4 different options for a buyer that wants to come in and have an incredible vision for what they want, and you got unlimited canvas right here. 2.99, you've either got 50 acres, boom, as a whole, or 20 divided off into 20 and 30 acre parcels. And you've got a home that we're gonna do a little quick tour on, but you could tear this down to the foundation and build something else. So it's like you got a multitude of options either way. This was built in the 90s. You're gonna wanna do some updating if you want to keep this home, but you could also scrape it down, build from the foundation, and have one killer property, unlike any other I've seen out there. We're gonna do a panoramic view around the main level, right in the heart and soul of the home, because it is a pretty cool layout from the 90s, 80s, 90s vibe. But here's the cool thing. This property has a double slip dock, and we're gonna take you down there, right along. There's a little dirt road that goes down to the dock. We're gonna take you down there and show you, because this baby backs up to Lake Lanier. 50 acres, could be divided off into 20, 30, scrape down a home, double dock. This has an absolutely, it's a blank canvas. All you gotta do is bring your paintbrush and whatever colors you wanna put and create your own masterpiece right here in Gainesville, Georgia. You know what I love about this? Tess and I were walking through, and it's one of those floor plans where it's like, hey, this is really cool. It's a lot of space, by the way. So you got a good sized, generous, great room. You got a family room right up here, everything wide open together. And the nice thing, back in the 80s and 90s, they would oftentimes build your little entertaining area right here. So they had the bar, everything. Look at the openness through here. Everything centers around the pool, which, by the way, probably gonna wanna put a new pool back there, but again, it's a blank canvas. You can either correct what's there, or you could go in and create your own. And the awesome part is you are on a hilltop that overlooks that awesome mountain view skyline back there. You can see the builder has walled that off to make sure that nobody goes and gets hurt back in the pool area, because that's what you got to do. What's changed in the last 30 years? Color carpet. Have you heard of Pepto Bismol? Well, you got it right here. This used to be a hot trend. You had the Waverly wallpaper. This is going back. Waverly wallpaper, you have the little purple, mauve? Mauve is what this is called. Mauve colored carpet, a little pinkish hue to the design color of the walls. But the cool thing is, back then, look at how awesome this room was laid out. Nothing but windows overlooking the pool area and that hot view of the North Georgia mountains. Wow, we got some funky colors going through here. Brown, yellow, green, and that is lime green right there. So, you know, back in the 80s and 90s, they just didn't do basements the way that they do today.
What is that?
That? Mm-hmm. Vacuum system.
Oh, like the one in that other house we were in the other?
Yeah, so the pipe runs throughout the home. So then all your dirt gets sucked down here. And you clean that one spot out, but then that way you just walk through the home doing your little Bissell. So the awesome part is we're at the back of the property of the 50 or the 20 and 30. And you back up to Lake Lanier over here and you got a double select dock right there. That Tesla panoramic way around. So you're up at the northern part of the lake, and this is a great area. A lot of wide water out there. Peaceful, ready for you to bring your boat or two, party deck up top. This is the money shot right here because this is where the grill area was. So could you imagine just standing here grilling some perfect steaks?
If you got value from this, hit that subscribe button and let's freaking go. We drop videos every single week to help you buy smarter and sell for more. And if you're thinking about making a move, hit the link below and let's get you started.